Hello.
हेलो।
Hello.
हेलो।
Hello.
हाँ।
Hi. Hi.
हाय भाई।
Yes.
राघव सिंह या मृणाल?
Mrinal. Mrinal.
मृणाल या वहाँ पे
I
राघव
don't.
सिंह आ रहा था नाम।
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. This is some glitch in Truecaller. I have
अच्छा
written to them a couple of times, but they never responded on it.
अच्छा अच्छा भाई, ये मतलब आप अलेक्सा के बारे में बात करना चाहते थे, मतलब
Yeah.
आपके
Yeah.
एफबी पोस्ट देखा था मैंने। तो आपको कब से पता है अलेक्सा? क्योंकि यहाँ पे न्यूज
Uh.
में अलेक्सा की मानसिक स्थिति पे और उनके घर वालों के ऊपर जो न्यूज देखा है, आपने
Yes.
देखा
Yes.
कैसे?
Yes. I tried to follow the Telugu media, but since I don't understand Telugu, so I couldn't gather much.
ओके।
So from the English media and what I understand, a little bit of Telugu that I tried to understand, I don't know who the sources of, who their sources are, but they don't sound at all like the Alekhya I knew. I knew her for
Okay,
around
what do you know about
1 year.
her? Okay.
I knew her for about 1 year, and I was in a relationship with her
अच्छा।
for around 4 or 5 months. We broke up last December itself because
लास्ट दिसंबर मीन्स 2020,
yeah, December 2020.
मतलब 1 month
Uh,
बैक।
yeah.
ओके।
This lockdown thing was going on extending, and it was difficult. So anyway, my
शी इज
point
हियर
is,
फ्रॉम लास्ट कपल ऑफ मंथ्स, आई थिंक फॉर फ्यू मंथ्स।
yeah, she came back. I think she came back in 2019 after resigning from Bhopal or
अच्छा।
wherever she did her
ओके।
job. So anyway, my point is कि whatever they were portraying about her, कि मतलब some channels seem to be saying that she's the one who masterminded all this. कि
राइट राइट, ये न्यूज कल आया, मतलब
हाँ
परसों
हाँ
तक ऐसा था कि न्यूज उनकी मम्मी पापा की वजह से ये सब
हाँ
हुआ था,
हाँ हाँ
और उसके
हाँ
बाद
हाँ
में अलेक्सा के ऊपर आया।
yeah, I don't
तो आपके
know.
साथ कैसी रहती थी अलेक्सा?
She was the most normal and rational person I ever knew. मतलब all her spiritual and religious interest was centered around just one thing: meditation, meditation, meditation. She didn't believe in gods. She
ओके।
didn't believe in idols. She
ओके।
didn't believe in monotheism, polytheism, anything. For
ओके।
her, God existing or not existing didn't matter. So, and so yeah, it's like she was the last person I would expect to be a ritualist.
अच्छा।
So somebody who never believes in rituals, she suddenly becomes a ritualist in I guess we hadn't spoken after December, but
ओके।
in 1 month, the person who was not even a proper who never believed in any
नेवर बिलीव्ड
ritual,
इन, यस।
she goes on to carry out such a drastic ritual, killing her sister.
So
And
what you are thinking about this?
so I don't know what to think, except that every single point of this story sounds just opposite of Alekhya's personality and character. Ki
Okay.
like, killing her sister first, impossible.
Yes.
She loved her sister more than her parents, and this is very uncommon. Because आजकल, if you look at it, every family has a lot of sibling rivalry. There was no sibling rivalry between them. In fact, they were closer to each other than their parents.
Okay.
Alekhya was the one who got her sister mental treatment when she got into some bad bout of depression some years back, and her parents were unwilling because of the social stigma around mental health.
Okay.
They were unwilling to take her to uh, any mental facility. Then Alekhya was the one who pushed them into getting her help. Then I can't believe कि she would have been someone who could kill her sister, and then order her mother to kill her.
सॉरी 1 मिनट। आलेख्या की जो बहन है, छोटी बहन,
हाँ हाँ,
उनकी मेंटालिटी के बारे में आपको पता था? So,
yeah, her elder sister had some mental issues many years back,
okay,
but but Alekhya told me that she was completely cured.
okay,
She had spent time in some mental hospital, somewhere in their local area only.
okay,
So so that was that ki so that was one thing that stood out for me ki this is just not possible. This is just not possible. The second thing was कि how easily मतलब क्या कहते हैं how easily she was they are saying कि earlier when they were talking about कि how her mother was able to influence her and convince her. ये तो बाद में आया स्टोरी की Alekhya was the mastermind. पहले when they were saying कि the mother is the
उनके mom
mastermind.
dad थे।
हाँ, mom dad were mastermind. Alekhya never had very good relations with her parents.
Okay,
तो you know, if you don't have normal parent child relationship with someone, how can you allow them to kill you and resurrect you? Nobody, मतलब if somebody had excessive attachment to their parents, maybe one can think of कि चलो that thing went too far. That went into blind faith. But Alekhya had very big trust issues with her parents कि मतलब she never she was very uncomfortable with their parents, always trying to you know, like her parents were very old school what
Superstitious.
no, not super exactly superstitious but orthodox and traditionalist type.
Okay,
Like
okay,
they disliked their daughters sleeping in another room. They disliked them क्या कहते हैं you know, having they never they tried to butt into their privacy and all of मतलब small issues that happen in every family, but Alekhya took them very seriously.
okay,
So the essentially she was the last person her mother could convince. Her mother could have more easily convinced 50 students who were her at her school to take part in that ritual than convincing Alekhya. It would have been easier for her mother to convince 50 other students than her own daughter.
okay,
Because Alekhya hated her parents. She hated being stuck in that house, and you know, the family was really rich, and Alekhya was heiress to half of everything, like in terms of crores, and yet she was working a night job
okay.
because she wanted to move away from her parents as soon as the lockdown gets over and she can get a normal job. So she was saving up
कहाँ पे
money
वर्क
for
करती
that.
थी, मतलब भोपाल में? इन कंपनी?
भोपाल में she was in forest services, government की जो forest services हैं
Yes, yes.
उसमें कहीं पर she used to work. Her MBA was also in forest management.
Okay,
वहीं से शायद किसी किसी ऐसे किसी वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी या कहीं पे उसका प्लेसमेंट हुआ था कॉलेज से ही. तो I don't remember exactly where it was, but it was from her college itself. She got placed
अच्छा,
and she worked around I think 6 months there. Then she left.
okay,
And but the point is कि तो she hated her family so much. She couldn't wait to move out. She was working with some American education company that provides homework assistance to American students. I think it was Czech, but I'm not 100% sure. तो जैसे यहाँ पे शिक्षा.com वगैरह होता है, वैसे a portal called Chegg used caters to American students in their homework assistance.
okay,
So she used to work there. She used to work the night shift for it. तो मतलब this is how much she hated her mother कि she worked nights to get away from her.
अच्छा
So how can a girl like that get convinced by her mother? Third thing that stood out for me is कि everybody is saying some Baba or some tantric came
that
who
Meher Baba
influenced.
yeah
नहीं तो मेहर हाँ तो सी मेहर बाबा
कभी
एक्चुअली
आपके सामने कभी मेहर बाबा का नाम लेते वक्त
यस मेहर बाबा का नाम आया था क्योंकि मेहर बाबा was the organization that her sister joined.
अच्छा
Her
okay.
sister learned meditation from there,
Oh,
and that was also many years back. Her sister had learned meditation from there, and possibly her father. I'm not sure about the father. I'm sure about the sister. But Alekhya का जो था, Alekhya का यही तो people are getting everything exactly the opposite. I don't know who is feeding the media, but media is getting everything exactly opposite of Alekhya's character. कि Alekhya never trusted any Baba, any Guru. She only read Osho. And
okay.
and in fact, I don't know how much you or the media believes in spirituality or not, but in spirituality, it is said that this is not a laughing matter and you shouldn't try spiritual things on your own. You should take help from someone or guidance from someone. You should not try these things on your own. And Alekhya's friends who were of a slightly spiritual bent, they used to tell her, including me, कि you don't try stuff by just reading the book. ठीक है, you read Osho's book, but you also take guidance from some living guru. You don't go by the words of some dead guru.
Yes.
हाँ, तो she absolutely
उनके बुक्स पे
हाँ
yes.
हाँ जो यहाँ पे नहीं है, who is not there to take responsibility of what he wrote. तो Alekhya always used to refuse that. She was always adamant on नहीं, मेरे को ओशो के अलावा किसी पे ट्रस्ट नहीं है.
Okay.
And the media is saying that she was under the influence of some guru who used to come to her house. Not possible. Not possible at all.
No. The media is not saying that.
I have read in some portal. I don't remember.
यस एक मांत्रिक थे जो यहाँ पे इनको भूत चढ़ने के बाद में 2-3 बार आए थे बोल के मीडिया यहाँ पे मेंशन किया था. यस शायद से उनके मॉम या डैड इस मांत्रिक को जानते थे वहां पे, सो दे कॉल्ड देम.
हाँ तो mom and dad might have called the mantrik, but you know that again ties
that video. Mom and dad जो बात कर रहे थे.
Yeah, but since again it was Telugu, so I couldn't understand what they were saying, but from the body language it did look like, and the father was saying using English mix a little bit, so I understood we are all spiritual people.
Yes.
Our daughter is also very spiritual.
Both daughters.
हाँ.
Yeah.
तो it's like कि everybody is reporting as if spirituality is one monolith and you can club everything together. Okay. It wasn't that. Ki her parents might have been going to some mantrik or someone, but not Alekhya. Alekhya would neither go, nor would she, she would neither seek out any Baba on her own, or if her parents are seeking out, it wasn't like her to, agree to participate in even normal rituals. Okay. Forget something of human sacrifice.
मतलब दिसंबर तक वैसे था.
हाँ दिसंबर तक मैं 100% गारंटी, एंड आई कांट थिंक ऑफ एनी रीजन कि एक महीने में उसका 27 इयर्स का पर्सनालिटी चेंज हो जाए.
ओके.
तो वही चीजें हैं कि मतलब क्या कहते हैं ये these are the small red flags that came to me, but there is one very big thing that that I have written even on my Facebook कि her sister's online existence is completely wiped out. Her sister does not exist on Facebook on Instagram, anything. Only Alexia's account has some pictures of her, but since I knew what her sister looked like, and all those pictures where her sister had commented. So when I went to those pictures to look for her sister's account to try to understand what was going on, I saw that the account that earlier used to be her sister's on Instagram,
Okay.
the handle is now changed to Alexia's name.
अच्छा.
The handle is changed to Alexia's name. The picture is now Alexia's, and all the posts are gone from the account, and the account is locked. So, as if somebody was trying to clear out her sister's online history, all the entire digital footprint. And on the other hand, Alexia's Instagram account was private earlier.
Okay.
And after her murder, how come it suddenly became a public account where everybody could go and see that she has written superstitious posts in her last 4 days, superstitious posts, Islamophobic posts, as if all that limelight was being shifted from her sister to Alexia.
Okay.
So that is the biggest thing that rang alarm in my head, aside from the obvious thing ki none of the things that media was saying sounded anything like Alekhya.
Okay.
That even that I could accept, that possibly she might have been a schizophrenic who was showing some other personality to me, some other personality at home. That is possible. But still, that doesn't make any sense. Ki why would anybody try to remove Sai Divya's, her younger sister's entire digital existence? Her sister has no Facebook account. The Instagram account now bears Alexia's name and picture.
Okay.
All the posts are gone. Alexia's account privacy has been made open so that people can view it when they come looking for it. So all of that, I don't know, it doesn't make sense to me.
आपको क्या पता था उनके फादर के बारे में? मतलब मॉम के बारे में तो आपने बता दिया कि
हाँ, about her father, about her father, Alekhya told me that she spoke in slightly positive tones about him.
अच्छा.
मतलब she was not as bitter about him as she was about her father. मतलब she used to say कि her father was a good person, but always influenced by her mother.
Okay.
कि
तो आपका निशाना सीधा मॉम की तरफ से जाता है, मतलब उनके माताजी के ऊपर.
I don't know what you mean by nishana, but obviously I'm just saying कि I have no doubt that her mother is involved in this somehow, and it's 99.9% possible that she is the one who killed the daughters. I'm not trying to
she only killed.
challenge. But what I'm thinking is कि her mother or Alekhya being the mastermind doesn't fit these small little things that I'm seeing, these small abnormalities.
Okay.
And yes, speaking of abnormalities, there's one more thing. They also had a dog in their house, whereas I have not seen any mention of any dog in any media report.
Okay.
And the family loved the dog very much. Okay. All four of them loved the dog very much. Alekhya most. Okay. Alekhya loved the dog the most. She loved the dog.
Which one? मतलब breed कौन सा था? Hindi और special?
I think it was either Labrador or German Shepherd. White color. There is a couple of pictures of the dog on her Instagram.
Okay.
It was a white colored dog, around 14 years old.
Okay.
And Alekhya was so attached to it कि in November when the when the COVID was spiking again in Andhra, she still forced her father and sister to take the dog to the vet because the dog was ill. And although her father didn't want to go because of the COVID spike and all, she created a scene at home unless they agreed to take the dog to the vet.
Okay.
So, where is such a dog gone?
यस ये तो पॉइंट बनता है, मतलब किसी वीडियो में उसका मेंशन नहीं है.
Yeah. So all these small things are there which are completely out of character. With the obvious one big red flag ki why is her sister's online presence is being scrubbed.
अच्छा, अलेख्या कभी जादू तो ना जो
Not at all.
विश्वास करना या
No. Not 1%, not 1%. She believed in just one thing: meditation.
Okay. So how are you now? मृणाल भाई.
या.
सॉरी, आपकी वॉइस भी बहुत लो है. मैं आपको ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस पूछ के परेशान नहीं करना चाहता हूँ.
हाँ.
लेकिन
नहीं, प्लीज फील फ्री.
यहाँ के मीडिया से कुछ कहना चाहते हैं?
यहाँ के मीडिया से आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल देम टू to please look deeper than the superficial narrative of superstitious mom goes overboard and kills Hindutva daughter. That facts are correct, but the story is still incomplete. Yes, Alekhya was a Hindutva person. Okay. There's no denying that. Her mother was superstitious. There's no denying that also, but that is not all there is to the story. Alekhya would have never done any of this, and I don't know why media is not going any deeper. I just want them to at least try looking deeper into these things, especially this about why Sai Divya's account has gone missing and why or what made Alekhya change so much drastically, if she did at all in the last 1 month. Or in fact, if you look at her online behavior, it's not even 1 month. All this change came in the last 4 days. Yes, 4 days. Yes, one more thing that
yes.
I forgot. Yes, Alekhya was a staunch vegetarian. A staunch what they call militant vegetarian.
Millets.
हाँ, कि मतलब she hated hurting animals for human benefit. तो मतलब not exactly vegan, but very those kind of vegetarians who advocate ki human benefit is not justification for animal killing or something like that. So that kind of person, suddenly a switch flips in that person, and that person becomes a क्या कहते हैं that person goes for human sacrifice. That still is implausible.
Okay.
And so media से मेरा सबसे बड़ा issue यही है कि the media is painting a picture of Alekhya is just opposite of what Alekhya I knew and what Alekhya everybody knew. I have spoken to around 6 or 7 of her friends, and all of them agree.
From Andhra or from Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh?
From everywhere, because I knew Alekhya only via online, so I contacted her friends whom I knew from whom I could find online. I couldn't find anyone from her real life, like offline world, But online, I have spoken to one of her older ex-boyfriends. I have spoken to a friend of hers who is a foreign national, and uh, a couple of more friends who actually alerted me to this tragedy, because as I told you, we had broken up a month back and we were not even speaking.
Okay.
So I was
So when
told
was your last call with her?
we talked last time on WhatsApp on 19th December.
So कुछ मैटर था वहाँ पे, मतलब घर के बारे में कुछ बोल रही थी या
नहीं नहीं नहीं
नहीं?
नहीं, she was just getting super busy with her job, and she told ki it's not possible with our different timings to because I had my schedule all around the daytime and her day began at night. So she told, so we realized that this is not going to work, this relationship, if our timings are so wildly different. So we decided to split. So that is all. So the point is, at that time, there was nothing about her family. She was pretty excited about her job, actually. She, at that website, I'm probably checked, but not 100% sure. She was getting recommendations. Commendations for being an excellent tutor. She was getting commendations, and she was like, abhi tak she was getting random answers from all the students, and now she was on the route to become a private tutor to some students. So she was very excited about it.
Okay.
So basically she was very excited about her job. She was about to be getting very advanced in her job, and there was no indication of something going wrong in her family at that point.
आप कितने साल या कितने महीने थे एक साथ रिलेशन में?
I guess from sometime in August to 19 December.
तो 19 December,
Yeah.
not 2020 December.
19th December 2020.
Okay, 2020. Okay.
Yes.
मतलब अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर,
Yeah,
दिसंबर,
4 or 5 months.
5 months.
4 or 5 months.
अच्छा. So मतलब लास्ट कहाँ पे मिले थे आप उनसे?
We had always online conversation only, because
आपने कभी डायरेक्टली नहीं मिला?
नहीं. We were introduced to each other via Facebook around just before the lockdown began.
Okay.
So yeah, and क्योंकि February में we met, March में lockdown began, so we could never meet.
Okay. Feb से December तक.
Yeah. I knew her from Feb to December.
So finally, what you want to say? मैं मीडिया को ये अगर न्यूज भी पहुंचा दूं कि कुछ यहाँ पे फिशी है, तो आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है?
नहीं, इनफैक्ट या क्या मतलब सॉरी,
जो ट्रूथ है, जो आप बताना चाहते थे, जो आप कन्वे करना चाहते थे, मैं यहाँ के मीडिया से बता सकता हूँ, क्योंकि आई एम अ जर्नलिस्ट।
या सर्टेनली, प्लीज टेल देम दैट दे आर पोर्ट्रेइंग what they are portraying Alekhya as is 180 degree from the Alekhya I knew and the Alekhya a lot of other people knew.
Okay.
मतलब every single person that I spoke to, they could not a single person was ready to believe anything that media was saying, कि she would kill her sister, or she would mastermind this, or she would even cooperate with this.
कभी वीडियो कॉल में बात किए थे आप?
I guess a couple of times around in September or October.
How was
maybe.
her behavior?
Very good, very good.
Okay.
There was never
bipolar or
never anything like that. She never showed any symptoms, although she confessed to me that she had some depressive issues back around 4 or 5 years back, but they were completely cured.
Okay. थैंक यू मृणाल जी. मैं कन्वे कर दूंगा यहाँ की मीडिया से, और जो चित्तूर की पुलिस टीम है उन्हें भी मैं कन्वे कर दूंगा और थोड़ा डीपली जाने के लिए बोल दूंगा मैं. आई एम कॉपिंग दैट एवरी पोस्ट फ्रॉम योर वॉल.
Sure. In fact, if you want, I have written a blog on that also. It's almost copy paste of it, so I can forward you the blog link also.
Please, you can forward on this number.
Sure.
Okay. Thank you, Mrinal ji.
Okay. Thank you
very much, and please take care.
Sure.
आपके वॉइस से लगता है कि आप बहुत अभी बात करने के मूड में नहीं थे, फिर भी आपसे बात किया मैंने.
It was really a shock for me because even though this is something you wouldn't wish on your enemy, and this was a person I loved a month back. So this was really a shock for me. I'm still, some part of me is still in denial. Some part of me still can't believe that not only is she gone, but gone in such a way that doesn't make even an iota of sense to me.
Please take care. मैं यहाँ पे आपका वॉइस कन्वे कर दूंगा.
Sure.
Thank you. Take care.
Okay.
Please save this number.
Thank you.
This is Sidhu, journalist. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
మరిన్ని అప్డేట్స్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.